To use your Motorola phone as a webcam on your PC or a laptop, first of all, you will need to perform a Smart Connect setup on both your smartphone and your PC. I've made a dedicated video on how to perform a Smart Connect setup. I will try to link it in the description so you can watch it. After you watch that video and you're done with Smart Connect setup, we can move to my PC. Now inside, make sure that your Smart Connect app is opened and your PC is connected with your smartphone. And then you need to click on a webcam right here and open a webcam. Make sure to install anything that will pop up, in this case a webcam driver. And when it's done, click on open camera, and that way we'll be able to use our phone as a webcam. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.